And put your hands together for Team 14.
All right. Summer school sucks. Let's be honest. So I'm a kid. I failed my math class. I'm going to go in for a couple of months and do the same lectures I just did in the same stodgy old classroom I just sat in all year. We can do better than that. So let's enter the Lens classroom. And so this is a classroom that is designed to enable individualized curriculum through the lens of educational gaming. So let's talk about this for a second. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to think, step one, chuck all the chairs out the window. Burn the desks. Let's clear out the physical space. Step two, let's put in some new stuff, but keep it more open. Let's put in some whiteboards. Let's put in some TV consoles and some gaming consoles. And let's start to think about what this looks like. Let's take an example of a math class. The kids are all working on their own topics. Some are doing common denominators. Some are multiplying fractions. And we are all working on different things. And your teacher is getting constant formative assessment data from the input of the game. And they're walking around with this tablet, and instead of being behind the desk, they are walking up to individual students who they're seeing, oh man, common denominators isn't going so hot for Jimmy. So you go over and you do what you want to do as a teacher, one-on-one tutorial work. And the students are engaged and they're excited because this is nothing like the classroom that they're used to. It's loud, it's exciting, it's interactive, it's great. And so this is not just for math. We use this as a really great example, but we hope to be able to grow beyond that into other subjects and into other phases of active learning that this type of classroom environment would enable. Questions, please?
So you just describe a sort of edutopia, but how do you get there?
So I guess the main point is how to combine the experience of have a clean environment in the class with a gaming, so a platform loaded with that in which you can provide really real tasks to the students and using math to accomplish something really real. So how we can make the experience of the summer be something different they already had in the previous year. So that's the combination of the experience plus the content.
And I think we saw summer school as this opportunity to try something new, try something flexible, try using within the space of the classrooms as they exist, but removing what's there and trying to reimagine what that space can be.
So it's like summer school in an arcade in a way.
Yes,
right?
Yeah. And how to infuse what's in these games. We love games, right? So what's in these games and how can we infuse academic content in those games? And that's kind of where we need to go next, is developing games that has the kind of academic language, academic literacy, and academic content that that kids will be exposed to through what they're already being engaged and motivated to do at home. So now, they're doing it in a new space.
Is there a mechanism to stay out of the fringe and enter the center and take on, because we can create a million alternative programs. So here you have this idea you're going to test in the summer school, pretty safe for districts.
Yeah.
How do you push against the center? How do you go?
Is it meant to be there? Or is it intentionally there? Like this is specifically to help bring people like
I think if a model works, people are going to be excited by it. And if you're using gaming, if you access that private gaming developing world that has a ton of money, schools and administrators are probably going to be pretty
What about
excited.
parents? Are they going to be excited to send the kids to do video games?
If the kids like it and the kids are learning well and the kids are doing better on tests, I think the parents are going to like it too.